All right, back we go. It's been a while. Took some time off. Do some videos, some stocks here. December 19th. Market's been a wild ride with COVID and the new variant from South Africa. So it'll be interesting this week what happens. Um, as far as small caps, they're always going to have some good runs. CEI, that was a few months ago. All these high flying runners. As far as was it Friday? SPRB, that was a nice gainer there. We'll go over that in another video. So we'll look at some stocks here, see if we can find some moves, some swing trades, maybe some day trades, see if we can, find some stocks ready to pop. I saw this stock, DCPH, the Safera Pharmaceuticals. Now it's been around since it looks like 2017. Looking at this stock, it was a $15 stock, made its way all the way up to near 45. Then a big pullback to the 20 line. Then for months it went sideways and it popped up. Really exploded. 2020 got as high as 70. Look at that. And then a big wash down. And then it tried to bounce. It did get 65 plus a few times, almost like a triple top up here. You can see it right here. Came back on a bounce. Then near 50, but didn't hold. And look at this, another bounce. And it's been in a downtrend ever since. I'm going to mark a line right here. So you want to draw trend lines when you're doing this. Right here on this gap down where we're at now. Doesn't have to be exact, but you can see right here. Right here, this line. Right here on this big gap, you put it towards that candle. So you have a lot of connection points. You have 1, 2, 3, this one a little bit below, it doesn't matter. And put one up here where the high was before the drop. And I'm going to put this right here for the highest move. So right here, you have these candles here, these candles here. And that's the last two major high connection points. So you can do one lower right here, but it doesn't matter as far as that. And the trend is down. So you'll see the high, then the lows, it keeps bouncing, but your trend is lower. So this was near 70, went to 986. And the reason for that, midday market update, Safera Pharmaceutical shares plummet, disappointing trial results. So that was the reason. And you can see right here, this is up near 35 plus. Look at this gap down. Big volume, 16 million. Nice move here. You got to the bottom of the gap. Now on these moves, these gap moves, excuse me, could this go into here? It's possible. You're looking for the first move would be the bottom of this gap, which it's right at. And then, from there, look for any resistance points, which is nothing back here. So it'll be interesting to see excuse me, where this goes. We'll just go up to 10, 12. Will it come here and fade back down? We shall see on this. As you can see, the longer view on this move. You see the volume right here, and then right here. So that was on the move down, and then pretty much sideways. Had increased volume compared to the months and year before, actually. All right, let's look at this. This is a $590 million market cap. Sales 91 million. Institutions own 75%. That's always a good sign. They don't want a stock to go down unless they're shorting it, but they want to make their money back. They probably all got caught up here. They thought the results would be good. What else we got here? It was downgraded November 8th and 5th by a lot of Barclays, Cantor, Genuity, Stifel to 60. They all had about 60 to 55 to 10, 11, 12. So that's where they put it. Insider Monkey, here's what hedge funds think about the Safera Pharmaceuticals. This is on FinViz. Why there won't be a quick recovery, investors place. Reading down here, anything else? Any stock twits ready to pop? Just reading here, see what they're saying. Always get a good read on what everyone else thinks. Market overreacted. I would, if I was you, if you're gonna invest in this or swing trade, look deeper into this stock. As far as technically, this is a huge gap right here. Now, if you can get over here, where are they going to push it? That's the thing. There's nothing here to stop this stock. And as far as the day trade, this could be a good day trade because what's the risk reward? Once the stock's up at 36, and then you come all the way down here, what are you going to keep shorting it? That doesn't really make sense. Monthly, you can see the big rise up stochastics. Then you had the wave down. See this? Down we go. As this was going up, all these candlesticks to move. Stochastics was already going down, which was telling you the move was over. You can see here the big candle. And let's look at the weekly. See this? And then you have another drop. And that's another big drop on the weekly. You had a 372 stochastics. Extremely oversold. They pushed it probably a little bit too far. Your first thing in the weekly too is when these come down. So you have bearish move here. 20 EMA over 13 EMA. 17. That's a nice candle there. Where's this going to go up here? Could it reach one of these EMAs and then stop down? That's possible. So I'd look for that. So the immediate move, you're going to look for right at 10. And then we'll see if they push it. Traders, what's the float on this? The float is 41 million on Finviz. There's this nothing here. So watch for a move up to 10, maybe 12. Looking back, anything here is nothing here. Well, there's 20, but that's way back when. Maybe 12 to 14, we'll see. And your stop on this looks like the low 763. I mean, that's the ultimate low. See, as a stair step, it's going to go now. You want to keep it a little bit tighter. 986, I would keep it, depending how you play it. Maybe at 9. That'll be the first stop here. Let's look at the 5-minute. You can see it just took off here. Let's 30-minute. See how it went back and forth like a W move right here down the bottom. And then it's been coming up now for the last few days. There's that volume down here. Look at this. 5 million. That's kind of weird. I don't know if that's an error or something, but that's a big volume bar right here on the 30-minute. And this little candle right here, 1066. So if you can get over to that point, we'll see what happens in this gap where they want to push it. So look into this one. The failed drug. They're a biopharmaceutical company, develops drugs that enhance liver of cancer patients. Lead drug candidate is Quinlock. I'm not sure if that's one that failed. They have a DCC-3014, a DCC-316. So they have a few drugs. So it doesn't look like they're one drug, even though that failed. So this is interesting. They could have. Did they have any COVID news there? Are they in the COVID space? Just reading real fast if I can pick up anything. I'm not sure. Don't really see anything with that. All right, but okay, this is at an all-time low right now. It's been pushed down pretty hard ever since 2021, the start. It's been in a downtrend. We'll see what happens here. We'll see where they take this. We'll just eventually get up to this trend line. That would be, if the stock trend is down, you're going to look for points. These are the highest points right now. So if they can get up there, that'd be a great recovery. I would look to sell there, but we'll see what happens in this gap. So that's it. DCPH, keep that on watch. Could be a good day trade, possibly swing trade, depending on your time frame on this. That's it. Please subscribe to my Cannon Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button. Check out my links below. That's it. Peace.